Did you know babies can hiccup before they're even born? Babies can start hiccuping as early as the second trimester. Hiccups in babies are caused by involuntary diaphragm contractions. Their tiny diaphragms are still learning the ropes. When a baby feeds, swallowing air or overeating can stretch the stomach, triggering hiccups. Even mild reflux can be a culprit. And guess what? Simplest things like changes in temperature or excitement can set off those adorable hicks. But don't worry, baby hiccups are totally harmless. In fact, many babies sleep right through them. If you want to minimize hiccups, try burping your baby frequently, keeping them upright during feeds, and offering a pacifier. So next time your little one hiccups, remember they're just practicing their breathing skills.